see if my boots get up.
Yeah, just grab the bucket.
Jack, do you want to go to the blue bag out there?
We're gonna all up into this tomorrow.
When does Welders Academy start?
March 9th.
Are you excited for that?
Yeah.
When was the last time you welded?
Do you put in your like 2 weeks and shit? Or are you like still working?
I'm done.
Oh.
Rate it.
The old deer meat?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Can't go. It's just.
Fucking
Oh
Oh my god.
Uh-oh, boy.
Yep. Keep her going. Keep her going. Keep her going.
You recovered.
Yeah, you did.
Oh! Oh! Full 180! Oh god, here's where it goes. Here's where it goes. Right here. Right here.
No?
Oh!
He's got her.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh, you rubbed up all against
I
it.
don't think we were on
I don't think we
I think you did.
I don't think
I don't think we did.
I think you did.
going too quick, way too fast.
Yeah.
Just break.
You break well.
I'm trying to, or you're gonna miss
Oh
it.
my god. Oh my
There he
god.
is,
Oh
off
my god. He's out. Oh shit.
Boys,
shit.
boys,
Will,
boys.
Will. Oh my god.
Are we good?
No gas. Going.
Yes!
Oh.
Yes!
Oh.
Yes! Let's go! What a beauty!
Yes. Okay, we're gonna have to do another 7-point turn once you get out of here.
Oh!
Shine your light on it. Shine the light on it. Look at the
Oh.
door.